Welcome to Review and Adventure Hub. Today, we bring you the unboxing and in-depth review of the Brilliance Oven Toaster Model BGO-3060, a high-performance 60-liter electric oven that's perfect for all your baking, grilling, and roasting needs. This versatile kitchen appliance is designed to deliver professional quality results while offering user-friendly features and exceptional value. What's in the box? Here's what we'll find inside the package. The main unit itself, featuring a spacious 60-liter capacity. Its large interior accommodates various types of dishes, perfect for baking large cakes, roasting a whole chicken, or cooking multiple items simultaneously. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and gives it a sleek, modern look. Pizza server, lightweight and ergonomic, ensuring effortless handling. This tool makes it easy to serve freshly baked pizzas without damaging the crust or toppings. Pizza cutter features a sharp stainless steel blade and a comfortable grip handle for ease of use. Cuts through pizzas with precision, ensuring clean slices every time. Oven tray and grill extractor or handle. This handle is a safety tool designed to extract hot oven trays and grills effortlessly. Helps you avoid burns and makes transferring hot trays more manageable. Oven fork or barbecue rotisserie. A sturdy fork used with the rotisserie attachment to hold meat securely while it rotates for even cooking. Ideal for preparing juicy and evenly roasted meats. Rotisserie handle, designed to remove the hot rotisserie rod with ease, ensuring safety and convenience. Perfect for handling roasted chicken or kebabs cooked on the rotisserie. User manual, a comprehensive guide detailing how to set up, use, and maintain your oven, ensures you make the most out of your appliance and understand its features. Recipe book, offers inspiration with a variety of recipes specifically designed for this oven, from baked goods to grilled dishes. Encourages creativity and helps you explore new cuisines. Oven mitts, protect your hands from high temperatures while handling hot trays, pans, and racks. Heat-resistant material for safe and secure use. Cupcake tray, a specialized tray for baking up to a dozen cupcakes or muffins at a time. Non-stick surface ensures easy release of baked goods. Pizza tray, designed to bake pizzas evenly, with a sturdy construction that holds the pizza securely. Ensures a crispy crust and evenly melted toppings. Heavy-duty wire baking rack, ideal for baking or grilling and can be used as a cooling rack for baked goods. Baking tray, a versatile tray for baking cookies, roasting vegetables, or preparing sheet cakes. Non-stick coating makes it easy to clean. Crumb tray, positioned at the bottom of the oven to collect crumbs and drips during cooking. Simplifies cleanup and maintains hygiene inside the oven. This oven is designed for ease of use and precision with its 3 multifunctional knobs. Timer knob, 60-minute timer. Knob for setting cooking modes. Temperature knob, temperature selection up to 450F to 50C. Timer knob allows you to set the cooking duration for up to 60 minutes, ensuring precision and convenience. A mechanical timer that automatically turns off the oven when the set time is completed. Knob for setting cooking modes. This knob is the most versatile, offering 6 distinct cooking modes to suit different recipes. Upper rods on, lower rods on, upper and lower rods on, upper, lower rods and fan on. Upper plus lower rods and rotisserie rotating rod on, and upper plus lower rods plus rotisserie rotating rod and fan on. Temperature knob, Enables you to select the desired cooking temperature for a variety of recipes. Temperature range 100F to 450F, 50C to 50C. Rotisserie rotating rod. A rotating rod designed for cooking meats evenly by constantly turning them during the roasting process. Lower side rods. The two rods at the lower side of the oven are responsible for generating heat from the bottom. Provide direct heat to the base of your dish, ensuring thorough cooking or baking from below. Upper side rods. The two rods on the upper side of the oven provide heat from the top. Ideal for broiling, grilling, or browning the top layer of dishes. Perfect for caramelizing the cheese on pizzas, lasagna, or gratins. Ensures an even golden brown finish on baked or roasted items. Convection fan. The fan circulates hot air inside the oven for even heat distribution. Ensures uniform cooking by maintaining a consistent temperature throughout the oven. Reduces cooking time by distributing heat more efficiently. The oven light or display light in this oven plays an essential role in enhancing your cooking experience. The light illuminates the interior of the oven, allowing you to monitor your cooking progress without opening the oven door. Helps us check the browning, texture, and doneness of your food at any stage. This oven is a powerhouse of functionality, versatility, and convenience. Its 60-liter capacity, combined with features like rotisserie, convection fan, and precise temperature controls, makes it a perfect addition to any kitchen. Whether you're baking delicate cupcakes, roasting a whole chicken, or grilling vegetables, this oven ensures consistent and professional quality results every time. The well-thought-out design and accessories from the pizza tray to the cupcake tray cater to diverse cooking needs, making it suitable for everyone, from beginners to seasoned chefs. The intuitive knob controls allow for easy operation, while the inclusion of safety features like the oven light and crumb tray enhances its practicality. For anyone looking for a reliable and affordable electric oven that offers a variety of cooking modes and robust performance, the Brilliance BGO-3060 is a worthy investment. If you're in the market for an oven that delivers value, versatility, and style, the Brilliance BGO-3060 is undoubtedly a great choice. Thanks for watching our unboxing and review of the Brilliance BGO-3060 Electric Oven. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Review and Adventure Hub. See you in the next video.